Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. As always, big thank you to all my subscribers. This week I'm taking a look at some Parkside Bluetooth ear defenders that I picked up at my local Lidl. So I went to my local Lidl and I got these Parkside Bluetooth ear defenders. I've been thinking about buying some Bluetooth ear defenders for a while, and these were originally $29.99, reduced down to $23.99. So I thought, why not? I'll give it a go. So I'll open the box and then I'll see what the instructions say. First of all, the ear defenders feel okay in the hand. There's 5 buttons on the side. Charging cable, Type C. And instructions. Right, so these are the Bluetooth ear defenders PKB5B2. They're a size M, which I'm assuming is medium. Bluetooth range is 10 meters. It's got a 500 milliamp hour battery. Battery run time is 23 hours. It says on the side of the box, headphones, hands-free function, phone call management, microphone, music transmission, music control. 5 buttons on the side for the controls. It says protects your hearing by reducing sound volume by 28 decibel. SNR noise protection value H equals 31 decibels, M equals 25 decibels, L equals 21 decibels. Now, I don't understand much about decibels. All I want to know is, once I've charged them up, will it pair with my phone, and can I listen to music while I'm working in the workshop? So what I'm going to do now is get these charged up, and I'll come back after I've given them a test. The ear defenders are fully charged, but before I try them out, I just thought I'd show you this, because I missed it. There's actually an auxiliary port, so you can use a wire to connect them to your device. So I thought I'd also run through the pairing process for the Bluetooth. Now it says to press and hold the power button, which is the middle button. Hold it for 3 seconds till you hear an acoustic sound. It means the headphones are in pairing mode, and LED will flash blue and white. So I'm going to do that now. And it says in the instructions to select PKB5B2, which is that one. For some reason it said couldn't connect. There you go, pressed it again and now it's connected. So let's quickly test the audio. Yep, that's playing through both sides of the ear defenders. So now I'm going to do a few jobs in the workshop and try them out. So I've been using these in the workshop for the past couple of days. After a while they do feel a bit tight around your ears, but as ear defenders I think they work absolutely fine. And as for listening to music and audiobooks, which is what I tend to do mainly, is audiobooks, I can hear them perfectly fine when I'm using the lathe or I'm cutting wood. I'm happy with these. I'm happy I got them at a discounted price, which is even better. So yeah, decent little pair of Bluetooth ear defenders. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.